Hello everyone, welcome to Zimi Studio. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add transitions to the videos. So, let's get started. Open Filmora video editor. Import videos you like. Drag and drop both videos in the timeline. Let's extend our timeline. Now go to transitions. And here you have hundreds of them. On the left side, you have different groups of them. For example, let's go to ripple and dissolve. Also here you can search for the transition you want. Let's search dissolve. Grab that and add it to the timeline. To control the time that the transition happens, you can drag the edge. Or just click on the transition. Now set the time of the transition. Now the other choice you have to make is the placement of the transition. It can be in the middle, left, or right. You can do the same for every single transition. For example, this one. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated when we upload a new video on this channel. Do check out our other tutorials on this channel. And comment below to let us know what you want to learn next. Till then, stay creative with Filmora.